Okay guys, this short video is going to show you how we convert from vertex form to standard form. So standard form is this ax squared plus bx plus c. Vertex form is this transformation notation that we have. But when we look at vertex form, we have to understand that this x minus h squared term, remember the squared means that we would take x minus h times itself, x minus h. And then we'll distribute an a through if there is one, and then we'll just add our constant at the end. So what I mean by all that, here's an example. So let's say that we have y equals 2 times x minus 3 squared plus 4. Okay, so the first thing that we have to do when we convert from vertex form to standard form is handle this squared term here. So x minus 3 squared really means x minus 3 times x minus 3. Sorry guys, I'm sitting at my desk here with my mouse. Okay, so when we x minus 3 squared is really x minus 3 times itself. That's what squaring means. And then now this is just a multiplication problem. So we're going to take x times x, get x squared. Then we're going to take x times negative 3 and get a negative 3x. Then we go to this negative 3, take it times x, and get another negative 3x. And negative 3 times negative 3 gives us a positive 9. So now when we combine our like terms here, we're going to get x squared minus 6x plus 9. Okay, so all that did was that took that x minus 3 squared. It is now written in standard form. But we still have 2 times that, right? This quantity is this x minus 3 squared. So we still have the 2 times it, and we have to add 4 still to the end of this. So now we're just doubling every term in this quantity here, except for the 4, because we're not doubling that. So we get 2x squared minus 12x, right, just doubling these, plus 18, and then we still have this plus 4. So then we can, at the end, we'll combine our constant terms, so that just becomes plus 22, and we have converted our vertex form to standard form. Let's try one more. Let's say that we have y equals a negative quantity, x plus 1 squared minus 3. Same idea, we're going to take the squared term and rewrite it as x plus 1 times itself. So when we do that, we're going to get x times x, or x squared. Now we're going to get x times 1, which is 1x, and then we're going to get another 1 times x, which is another 1x. So when you combine your x's, we're going to actually get 2 x's. And then 1 times 1 is a positive 1. So here is our x plus 1 squared in standard form. We have a negative out in front, which now says take what we just got and take the opposite of everything inside of here. So now we have a negative x squared plus a 2x, minus a 2x. And then minus 1. And then we're going to also subtract 3. So if you subtract 3 from negative 1, now we have negative 4. And there is our quadratic in standard form from vertex form. So by the way, too, guys, this type of problem is converting from factored form to standard form, just multiplying out the 2 terms. And I think that we're all okay on that, so I'm not going to make a video for that. Use this video to help with factored form as well.